Hello, welcome back to 123Sync version 9. We're talking about the new features and functions that have been released with this version, which also includes compatibility with, drum roll please, FileMaker 15 and 14 64-bit. This is going to give you increased speed with your posting and your pulling of data, and it's been very well received in the marketplace. If you currently have FileMaker or currently have 123Sync and need an upgrade, you can accomplish that by contacting support at productivecomputing.com and they can get you set up for that. If you're new to 123Sync, you're going to want to take a look at some of our new features. One of our new features is the ability to pull payments, customer payments from QuickBooks into 123Sync. If you want to pull those payments into your existing FileMaker system, that will require a little bit of customization on your FileMaker files, but we'll pull all the information into 123Sync that can then be accessed. So we're going to pop over here to Customer Payments Pull. There's a configure screen that allows us to choose some options here. Because we're using a sample file of QuickBooks, it has a date of 2021, so we're going to pull everything from December 1st of 2021 to December 15th. We can change that from pulling transaction dates. We can pull reference numbers if we know there's a series of checks that we want to pull. We can pull modification date. We can also choose to pull from the last pull date till now, which was here on 10/31. Or if you choose none, that will pull every check that you have in your QuickBooks file. So we're just going to pull everything from 12/1 to 12/15. We'll select Pull Customer Payments. And here our visual indicators have updated. It says it's pulled 24 customer payments, but we're seeing a 34 visual indicator there. The reason being is there are 24 checks that has been pulled, but there are 34 transactions that have been applied to. So you may have a check that applied to 2 or 3 transactions. So it'll make a little bit more sense here. We'll go ahead and go over to the pulled. So in the pulled category, it would show that there was 24 items that have been pulled. Anytime you see a blue underlined transaction ID, if you click, it will open that transaction in QuickBooks. There we go. They're ready to be posted. If you were pulling this data into then your FileMaker files, the 34 items that were ready to be posted are all in here. So it will tell you any balance remaining, the amount of the money that was applied on that particular check, the check number. This would be the customer's check number, so that's why we have some that are missing. But that's one of our great new features with the advanced application configuration of 123Sync, is the ability to pull custom